Good morning, students. Students, we are discussing our first chapter, nutrition in plants. And in this chapter, in previous two video, we have already discussed about nutrition, nutrients, and mode of nutrition. First is autotrophic nutrition, and second is heterotrophic nutrition. And students, in previous video, we have already discussed about autotrophic nutrition. And in autotrophic nutrition, we have already learned that how autotrophic nutrition make their food with the help of photosynthesis, and we have already learned that what is the basic need for plants to make the food with the help of photosynthesis. So students, one more topic is remain in this chapter, which is second mode of nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. So students, today we will discuss about second mode of nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. So let's start second mode of nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. So students, question is that what is the heterotrophic nutrition? So students, the mode of nutrition in which an organism cannot make their food and depend on other for their food is called uh, heterotrophic nutrition. So students, I am writing here a definition of heterotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition the mode of nutrition in which an organism cannot make their food by itself and depend on other for their food is called heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition. So students, let's try to understand once again the mode of nutrition in which an organism cannot make their food and depend on other for their food is called heterotrophic nutrition. Students, we can also understand it by one more way. In this word, hetero means other, and trop means nourishment. So students, hetero means other and trophic means nourishment. So that's why we call it heterotrophic nutrition. And students, heterotrophic nutrition is known as by one more name, and other name of heterotrophic nutrition is holozoic nutrition. So students, we can also call it holozoic nutrition. So students, organisms like animal, bacteria and fungi cannot make their food. They directly or indirectly depend on green plants for their food. So students, this is our heterotrophic nutrition. Our next topic is what is the different types of heterotrophic nutrition. So students, our different types of heterotrophic nutrition is students, according to mode of nutrition in plants, there are four types of heterotrophic nutrition. First is parasitic, second is saprophytes, and third is insectivores, and fourth is symbiotic. So I am writing here the different types of heterotrophic nutrition. So there are, we can say there are four types of heterotrophic nutrition. Trophic nutrition. So students, first type of heterotrophic nutrition is parasitic plants. Second is saprophytic plants, and third is insectivores. Insectivore plants, and fourth is symbiotic. Plants. So students, this is the four type of heterotrophic nutrition. First is parasitic plants, second is saprophytic plants, third is insectivore plants, and last is fourth number is symbiotic plants. So students, let's we talk about first type of heterotrophic nutrition, and first type of heterotrophic nutrition is parasitic plants. Students, what is the parasitic plants? Students, we can say the plant or animal which is live in other living organism and derive their food from them is called parasitic plants. And students, the living organism from which parasites derive their food from them is called host. But students, in the next class we will discuss briefly all types of heterotrophic nutrition. And so students, that's it for today. Thank you.